Hey, beautiful people. You know that feeling when your makeup just hits right? When your skin glows, your lips pop, and you feel like you can conquer the world? Here at Ads Beauty, we understand what makes African skin truly shine. From foundations that blend seamlessly with every skin tone to vibrant lipsticks that last all day and skincare that keeps you radiant from morning till night. At Ads Beauty, we believe every woman deserves to feel her absolute best every single day. So come on down to Ads Beauty today. Let us help you discover your perfect shade, your signature look, and that undeniable glow that only comes from feeling truly beautiful, inside and out. Ads Beauty, where your beauty journey begins.
So you just need to go to your Play Store or your Apple Store and download this VPN here. So this VPN, so this is an advert that just comes up. We are just going to cancel it. So when it open, you just go ahead and change your location to US, because what we are about to access right now is not available to us that are from Nigeria, right? So just come here and choose any US country. So as you can see, we are connected to the VPN. So another thing you need to do is just for you to come here to your Google and type here VEO3, right? So you click on that. So what we are just going to do, just to pick up the first option that comes here. This is actually something that you can pay for it, but I'm going to show you how you can have free access to this within 30 days, right? So when you come here, you're going to see all of those stuff like that. Click on try view. So when you click on try view, you are going to see an option like this. Those the free version, then you have limited access to it, and those the AI Pro, and this one right here is the AI Ultra. So what you just need to do is just to come over here and click on this AI Pro, which is charged $19.99. So you just go ahead and click on get started for free, and you click on get Google AI Pro. So let's wait for that to comes up. So while we are waiting for that, I pray my network is fast. So you're going to see a payment option right here. You are going to see, if I start today, I have 1 month free trial. So after that 1 month, they are going to tax me, like I'm going to pay for it. Imagine charging $19.99 every month. I'm going to show you how you can cancel this at the end of this video, because some person might not remember to cancel this thing after using it, right? So if it stays, they are going to charge you. You know what that means. So you come here. I already have a MasterCard right here, so I'm just going to make use of this MasterCard. So if you actually want to add your card details, you can click here to add your card details. But if you have a MasterCard, you can go ahead and use that. You can see we are subscribed to using this. So you've got Gemini Pro and more. So just click on go to Gemini Pro. We are now the Pro user. So the very first thing you need to do is just to go to your ChatGPT or Google Gemini and gives it a prompt. Like I told it to generate an advertisement video prompt for a brand called Ad Beauty. She sell cosmetic, all those stuff like that. So finally it has generated a prompt for us. Okay, so we are just going to copy this prompt from here, copy from here, and we are going to stop here, right? Do you understand? So we are going to stop there. I'll click on copy, then I'm just going to go ahead to my notepad and I'm going to paste it there. So you can paste it anywhere depending on what you are using. So this is the prompt we copied, and I'm just going to click here to save it. So we are just going to go back to Google Gemini, and we are going to copy the script of the video, like the main character of the video, right? So you copy it from here. We are not copying everything, and we stop here, guys. Okay, so I'm just gonna let me check. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and copy this, and let's go back to our notepad. This time around, I'm just going to open a new notepad and I'm just going to paste that. Do you understand? So when you are done pasting this, so this is the script we have actually generated, And this is that for that. The video open with a medium shot of the lady smiling, blah blah blah, and this is what the lady says. Do you understand? So I can just go ahead and copy the script from here. Do you understand? Let's copy it from here, and let's go back to this VEO3 prompt. So when you just come here, you're just going to go ahead and paste the script here. Do you understand? I've actually pasted the script where you see the main characters. So you do well to, paste the script, the first script of what you want the person to say. So after pasting the script, you are going to say something like she says, because you actually want the person to talk, right? So after you might have gotten all of those things like this, so you just need to go ahead and copy everything. Let's click on copy all, and you copy it. So the next thing here is for us to go to our Google, and we are going to flow, because I think I've already used it. Okay, let's just type flow. Do you understand? Let's just type flow. I was already using it, but it's not still bad. You click on this one. So first of all, you actually need to put your phone on a desktop side. You can see right here, my phone is on a desktop side, so that it will give you that ratio of what you are going to do. So you can just go ahead and click on create with flow. So when you click on that, just give it a little time for it to actually come up, and boom, we are almost getting ready for new project. So when you click on new project, you are going to come here and paste in your prompt. But firstly, you need to put in your text to video if you are using text like me. But if it's a frames to video, that's pictures to video, you choose picture. But this last one is for people that are using the pro version. So we are going to click on text to video, and what I just need to do just to go ahead and paste my prompt. So after pasting my prompt, I'm just going to reduce it a little bit. You see this place here, right? You just need to click here. How many videos do you want it to generate at this time? Me, just one is okay. So you click on this drop down. If you don't change this thing, if you leave it in this Leo too fast, it's going to generate a video without an audio. So what you just need to do, just to click on this one, which is text to audio, and after clicking on all of those stuff like that, you just need to go ahead and click here to create your video. But here is where most people get it or find it very, very difficult, right? So what you just need to do is that you need to maintain the same characters in your video, and here is the twist. I'm going to show you how you can maintain the same characters in your video. But firstly, before I do that, please do well to like this video, do well to subscribe, and do well to turn the bell notification. Stand, you copy from here and stop here. The first prompt you pasted is always to change whatever it is on the characters, right? You saw what I copied from my notepad. So when I copied that, so you just come here, the only thing you'll be changing is just so after now click on this video. So the only thing you need to be doing, let's assume you want to generate another video, like using the second script, like the second scene. So what you just need to be doing from main characters, after changing the main character, just go ahead and download your videos. When you are done with this one, you go back. So this is the only thing you need to be pasting there. So when you paste here, you type here and say she says, because you want her to talk. Do you understand? So after you typing that, just go ahead and click here to generate your image, sorry, your video. And while this one is done generating,